Azure Synapse ARM template is a powerful tool for deploying and managing Azure Synapse Analytics resources in a consistent and reproducible manner. To start with, Azure Synapse Analytics is a cloud-based enterprise data warehouse that allows you to integrate and analyze data from various sources. First, let's break down what an ARM template is. ARM stands for Azure Resource Manager, which is a service that enables you to manage and deploy Azure resources. An ARM template is a JSON file that defines the infrastructure and configuration of your Azure resources. It allows you to declare the resources you want to deploy and their properties in a single file. Now, let's dive into Azure Synapse ARM templates. An Azure Synapse ARM template is a specific type of ARM template that is used to deploy and configure Azure Synapse Analytics resources, such as workspaces, databases, and pipelines. This template allows you to define the entire Azure Synapse environment, including the workspace, databases, and security settings, in a single file. To create an Azure Synapse ARM template, you need to start by defining the resources you want to deploy. This includes the Azure Synapse workspace, databases, and pipelines. You can then use the Azure ARM template syntax to define the properties of each resource, such as the location, pricing tier, and security settings. One of the key benefits of using Azure Synapse ARM templates is that they allow you to version control your Azure Synapse environment. This means you can track changes to your environment over time and easily roll back to a previous version if needed. Additionally, ARM templates enable you to automate the deployment of your Azure Synapse environment, which saves time and reduces the risk of human error. Best practices for using Azure Synapse ARM templates include keeping your templates organized and modular, using parameters to make your templates more flexible, and testing your templates thoroughly before deploying them to production. It's also a good idea to use a source control system, such as Git, to manage your ARM templates and track changes over time. In conclusion, Azure Synapse ARM templates are a powerful tool for deploying and managing Azure Synapse Analytics resources. By using ARM templates, you can automate the deployment of your Azure Synapse environment, version control your environment, and reduce the risk of human error. By following best practices, such as keeping your templates organized and testing them thoroughly, you can get the most out of Azure Synapse ARM templates and simplify the management of your Azure Synapse environment.